everybody, this is Teacher Mike. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the new Magic Box. This is a first look inside of the Magic Box, and these will be going to all of the students in Mataneedol School. So let's take a look. What do we have inside? Oh wow, it looks like we have some pre-prepared snacks. So when you're doing your online learning at home, you can have a snack. They also have some vitamin C to keep your immune system up during this pandemic. So that's great. Some delicious, healthy snacks. What else do we have? Oh wow, you cannot go wrong with the princess stickers. A little bit of positive reinforcement for when your child gets an answer correct. You can give them a sticker. It's very good. Wow. We even have non-toxic Play-Doh that's made here at Mataneedol. So you don't have to worry about your child getting sick if they eat a little. 3 sets of Play-Doh here. Hey, what else do we have? Oh, wow. It looks like the art teacher, Teacher Poong, has prepared the 40 materials for creative arts. So in here you're going to have all of your art supplies already ready and made. So when you start learning on Monday through Friday, you have everything you need in here. Something the Thai teacher has prepared, Teacher Oi, prepared all of the worksheets and put it into this little folder. So you have Monday through Friday, everything's in here. And then you have what your English teacher, Teacher Steph, has prepared, a welcome letter. And this is also going to have all the worksheets for the week in this folder here. So we're going to bring the experience of learning at school right to your doorstep. So now more than ever, it's a very difficult time to get your hands on some materials such as art supplies. So we're going to be giving away these super mega art sets. This is everything you need to get your creative juices flowing. Let's take a look inside. Wow, look at that. They supply you some art paper. Here you have crayons, oil pastels, markers, more crayons, more oil pastels, color pencils, and watercolor paint. Everything you need for any sort of art situation that you have. So this is great.
Do